morning, everyone. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So now, today we are going to continue on multiplication of money. Multiplication of money, which is one of the subtopics in money that you have to learn. Before this, we learn already. We did learn addition and subtraction. Now we are going to learn multiplication, and after this division. Kalau sempat kita masuk division. Rasa tak sempat kot sebab multiplication ni dia complicated sikit lah. Tapi don't worry, the calculation, the standard written method, it's all same. They're using the same method. It's just putting the RM and the cent. That's all. Okay.
Cikgu tengah cakap
Yeah.
I'm not.
Okay. Before the class start, make sure to turn off your microphone. Unless you want to ask me anything. Entire screen. Okay. All right. Now you can see, right? Amy, okay. Yasmina, dah. Semua nampak? Nampak Akilah, right? Okay. Okay. Now, we move to our next topic, which is multiplication of money. Okay. Multiplication of money, which is one of the basic operation that you have learned already before this. The only difference is they have Ringgit Malaysia in front. Okay. Beza dia ada ringgitnya. Itu je. So multiplication ni the same rules apply. Okay. So before we start, I would like to do some warming up. Warming up ni kita akan buat a simple multiplication to see how are you guys your multiplication skill lah. Kita nak tengok. I would like to see how is your multiplication. Okay. So before we learn multiplication of money, let's start a few tests. Let's start a test to see how is your multiplication. Okay. Let's see. All right. Your link.
What's the link?
I'm putting it now. Okay. Now the link is here. Okay. What join? Okay. Very fast, nah?
Can you
Again. Karina?
I can't see the link.
You don't see the link?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see the link?
Yes.
All right. Now, click the link I gave. Okay, make sure to participate. Jangan skip.
I know.
Jangan skip apa-apa. Make sure to participate in the link. Okay, we have 15. You're supposed to have 25.
I can't join. I can't join.
You can't join? Why?
Because it's slow.
Oh, it's okay. If your internet connection is not good, then later kalau I will give this code, then you can join later lah. For those yang ada excuse macam Irina, tak apa. Yang tak ada excuse, make sure to join. Ramai dah. Okay, 19. Alright. 20, okay. Semua nampak I'm new shoes. Okay, ready Okay, we start right now. Try to answer as fast as you can, as correct as you can.
I'm done.
You done? Good.
Yes, and I got 100%, and I'm first, I guess. Yeah, I'm first.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the quiz. Okay, right now. Okay, let's see. It's okay, don't worry.
I still want to play.
Wait. Okay, it's okay. It's just a simple multiplication,
finish most of
It's
it.
just a simple
I
multiplication.
did not
Only
finish
I'm
half of
perfect.
it.
Okay, for those who haven't finished, don't worry. It's not a test, it's not a quiz, it's just a warming up session to see how is your multiplication skill. Okay, are you good enough? Can you still remember how to multiply simple numbers? Okay, as you can see here, some of you did well and some of you not really, tapi tak apa. As long as you still understand how to multiply numbers, it's okay. Okay. All right. Okay, turn off your microphone, please. Thanks, Vanessa. Go, Vanessa. Okay. Can you off microphone, Vanessa? Is that your microphone? Okay. Now I continue the lesson. Okay. So by doing the simple multiplication, you can see that how is your progress, how is your apa, how is your apa, what we call your multiplication skill, how did you do your multiplication, how do you do multiplication, how is your multiplication, is it still apa, still you still can do, or you never apa, you can't even understand, you can't even apa memorize anything. That's why I asked you before, you have to memorize multiplication table. Macam Sife tu, those you have to always keep memorizing them. As long as you still you keep memorizing the multiplication table, the times table, you will do well in your multiplication and your division. Okay, ingat, multiplication and division, those two are using the multiplication. Semua guna times table. So make sure to understand them, memorize them. Okay, simple je actually. Senang je. But if you keep practicing, you can even memorize them. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. So for this topic, multiplication of money, they are using the same rules are applied, which is the same method of calculation. Okay, same method of calculation, only there are apa slightly different dia ada unit, there are unit. Okay, there will be units, and also ada dot tu, dot cent tu. That's all. Okay, nanti cikgu akan explain. Alright, so look at these examples. Okay, kita tengok examples yang cikgu dah prepare. This one you can also find in your textbook, but don't worry, no need to look at your textbook. You can even you can simply look at my slide here, and you can easily find how to calculate, how to do multiplication.
I don't remember.
Alright. You remember? Good. Okay. However, remember. Okay. However, the difference is you can see there the unit of RM tu, ringgit Malaysia. Okay. Sama macam tambah dengan tolak. Okay. Those are using the same unit. Okay. Those two, and move to this topic also using the same unit, which is RM. Okay, there will also be the unit of cent. Later on, we will continue that. So the first example here is how to simply multiply number that is small, that is using the small unit, and also no cent. Okay, there is no cent here. Only involve the RM unit. So 2 times 211. Maksudnya calculate the total cost of 2 hampers. 2 hampers. 1 hamper will cost you 211 ringgit. Okay. 211 ringgit. How is you have to buy 2 hampers. So you have to multiply with 2. You have to times with 2. So 2 times 211 ringgit. Your answer should be 422 ringgit. Okay, your calculation, your method of calculation is shown. Okay, kalau tak ingat jangan risau. Okay, kalau tak ingat Sife, you are taught, okay, cikgu dah ajar how to how to make multiplication table proportionally, okay, during the calculation. Okay, ingat 211. Okay, for example, kita tengok yang ni. Okay, soalan tadi dibagi RM. Wait, 2 times RM 211. Okay. So this is the first question. 2 times 211. 211 tu kita dah tahu dah unit dia. So you just put the unit 211 times with 2. Okay, kita besar sikit Okay, so remember the steps is easy. You have to start from, always start from the ones place value. Ones place value. Remember, ones place value tu yang paling hujung tu. Okay, the last number. So 1 times 2. Remember also 2 tu must be directly under the, you have to write it under the ones place value juga. Sebab dia 2 tu single number kan. Okay, so 1 times 2. So you have to do multiplication 1 times 2. Okay, first 1 times 2. Then 1 times 2 ni pula. Third baru 2 times 2. Okay. Remember that is the method. Okay, so 1 times 2 kalau if you still remember, don't, very good lah. It's so good of you. Kalau tak ingat, buatlah macam yang biasa cikgu ajar. Okay, buat sifir 2, buat lidi macam tu. Start from 0, 0, 1, 2. Tengok what is the biggest number. What is the biggest number on top? 2, 1, 1. The biggest number is 2. So you do only until 2. Okay, so 0, 1, 2. Sini you darab lah. You multiply with 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Tambah 1, 1. So 0, 1, 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, for those yang tak ingat. Yang ni bukan, it's not that I say, oh, you have to do like this. No, this is only one of the simple method to do the multiplication table. Okay, cara nak bagi kamu ingat balik. Okay, so 1 times 2, tengok 1 times 2. Ambil 1 times 2. Sini 1, sini 2. So the answer 1 times 2 equals to 2. Okay, write down 2 lah. Okay, write down 2 here. Okay, 2 here. Then 1 times 2 again. Ingat 1 times 2. Apa dia? No need to copy. No need. Okay, this one you need to copy. Okay, later I will give you some tasks you have to do. Okay, so 1 times 2, another 1 times 2, which is 2 also. Then 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2 equals to 4. Maksudnya 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals to 4. 2 darab 2 sama dengan 4. So 2 times 2 equals to 4. And don't forget the unit, which is RM. So the answer should be RM 422 ringgit. RM 422. Okay, that is it. How to simply calculate. Kalau soalan macam ni, very easy because the number is very small. Okay, how about this? That involve regrouping. Kalau ada regrouping, okay. Look at the second example. 5 times 29 ringgit. Okay, 5 times 29 ringgit. Let's see the second example. Okay, second example. 5 times 29. Alright. So, simple je. Number dia simple. You can see the number is only RM29 tu simple 2 digit je. Okay, so you have to copy down 29 times 5. Senang. Very easy. Okay, so 9 times 5. Remember, if you don't memorize, you can always do the untuk lazim, sifir tu, times table. Okay, so sifir apa? Sifir 5 lah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start from 0, 1, 2. Tengok, what is the biggest number here? Which is 9. You can see the biggest number is 9. So you have to do until 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue lah. Okay, so start from 0, 0, 1. 1 times 5 equals to 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, that is the simple way of doing the multiplication table. Okay, so 9 times 5 9 times 5, you can see here, ambil nombor 9 lah, number 9. Okay, so 9 times 5 ni. Okay, 9 times 5. You can see 9 times 5, dia ada kat sini 9 times 5. So the answer should be, okay, your answer should be 45. 45, ingat 45, dia ada 2 digits. There are 2 digits. So bring down 5. 5 to bring down. What should you do with the 4? Number 4 to bring up. Letak plus sign. Why? Okay. Letak dulu, tinggal dulu. Leave the number first. Okay, leave the 4 first. Okay, biar dulu. Then you have to take 2 times 5. Jangan tambah lagi 2 plus 4, it's not how you do. It's not how you do, you have to times dulu. Buat darab dulu. So 2 times 5. 2 times 5, kamu boleh nampak here. 2 times 5 kat sini. The answer should be 10. However, remember you still have 4 plus 4. Okay, plus 4. That's why you have to do this. So 10 plus 4 equals to 14. Okay, so 14 tu you bring here. 4 bring down. Tak ada number dah kan. So RM je. So you have to put 1 here. Okay, then write down the unit 145. So the answer should be RM 145. Okay. Boleh faham kan? Okay. Then we move to the other number. Okay, the bigger number which is 100. Okay, 100 times 76 ringgit. How? Okay. This is one of the method dia bagi kamu relation. Okay, you have to relate this. Kalau 1 times 76 ringgit, 76 ringgit lah. Kalau 1 times 76, 76 ringgit. Kalau 10 times 76 ringgit, see the question, the method put 10 from 10 to you put the 0 1 0 from 10 to you put behind. Okay, you add 10 at 76 ringgit becomes 760. So now if you have 10, you put the number 0 1 0 tu letak dekat belakang 76, then you will have the answer which is 760. That is only for 10. What if 100? So you have 2 zeros. 100, there are 2 zeros. So what should you do with the 2 zeros? 2 zeros tu letaklah belakang 76. So 76 ringgit. So you put another 2 zero. Your answer should be 76,000. That is how you get the answer. Or, okay, you can also do like this. Number 3, 100 times RM76. Wait. Sulaiman, are you asking me anything? You raising up your hand? Siapa tu? Mana Sulaiman?
In the activity book, I mean the exercise.
Oh, this one. This one is not from the activity exercise. This is from the textbook. You can refer to your textbook.
To write it to the exercise.
Oh, no need. If you would like to write, you want to copy down, it's okay for you to copy down. Tapi kalau don't want to, you just keep your ears to my, keep listening to my lesson. Don't worry. Tengok je. Don't worry. Nanti cikgu bagi juga kan. Alright. So understand this. Okay. So 101, 76 ringgit. 10, 760. 176,000. 7,600. Kalau 1,000, wow, 70,000. Okay. Okay. Remember, you can also do like this. Okay. 76. Ingat cikgu dah ajar dah before this. Kalau kamu dapat question macam ni, boleh buat 100 tu macam ni je. Okay, 100. You can simply write the answer like this. Okay, so 100 tu 0, 0, you bring down 0. So 6 times 1 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. then your answer should be RM 76,000. Okay. 76,000 pula. 7,600 ringgit. Same je. Method dia sama je. Okay. The same method. However, the same method of calculation. However, it's up to you. Okay. Kalau macam ni very easy. Okay. Tapi if the question asks you to do the calculation, remember mathematics, there always be calculation. Okay, kalau you want to put marks, make sure to write down the calculation. If you don't want to get mark, no calculation, no mark. Macam tu lah, simply remember that. Okay, that is how you do mathematics. Okay, as for this, okay, question, the next example. Next example, 1,000 times RM9. Okay, 9 ringgit times 1,000. Remember, 1 ringgit, 1 times 9, 9. 10 times 9, 90. 100 times 9, 900. 1,000 means 9,000 lah. Simply like that. Okay, 9,000. 9 ringgit times 1,000 is 9,000. Kalau ingat, kalau tak ingat, buat method of calculation macam cikgu ajar tu. Macam ni pun boleh guna calculation. Tapi you have to do like this lah. 1 times 109, 9 ringgit. Macam tu. Kalau tak, buat macam yang cikgu ajar tu. Okay. 1 times 9 lah, 1,000. Okay. Question number 4. 1,000 times RM. 9. Okay. So buatlah macam biasa. RM 9. Nak macam ni boleh. Times 1,000. Don't miss the number. Jangan silap tulis number pula. 1,000 ada 3 zeros. So you put zeros, 3 zeros lah. So bring down 0, 0, 0 to. Okay, write down 9. Then you should have your answer like that. Simple. Okay. Question, next example. Question seterusnya. Next question, 10 times 148 ringgit 25 sen. Kalau macam ni pula cikgu macam mana? Okay. Ingat, sama juga. Sama je. Tapi method of calculation dia tu different. Kamu kena ingat, dia ada sen. So, dia akan berubah dia punya method. Dia akan berubah dia punya dot tu. Kalau kamu tak ikut betul, nanti silap lah kamu buat jadi 500 jadinya. Okay. Dia akan jadi nanti 1,148.250 kalau kamu silap buat. So how to do this? How to do this? How to do this? Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Macam mana? Lupa dah soalan dia. 14825. Question number 5. 10 times RM 14825. Okay. Question number 5 ni. RM 148 ringgit 25 sen. First, buat macam biasa. Copy down the number. RM 148.25. Kalau kamu nak buat macam ni, okay. If you would like to do like this, if you want to do like this, remember this. Okay. Remember that, you have to remember this, that in money, you can only have 2 decimal places. Ada 2 je yang dot tempat puluhan dia tu. So you have to make sure your answer is your your cent point ni move, jangan silap. Cikgu takut nanti dibuat 250, 250. Salah lah. Okay. So macam cikgu ajar tadi, 0 you bring down 0. Okay, wait Look at the calculation. 0, 5, bring down 5. 2, ingat. 2 times 1, 8 times 1, sama je 4, 1. Okay, so RM. Okay. However, make sure to be careful with the cent point tu. Kita tak panggil decimal point lah sebab dia cent. Okay, so cent point tu, make sure to remember that cent point only have 2 decimal places. Dia ada 2 je. So you have to move the dot, decimal dot tu, the cent dot tu, letakkan in between 2 dengan 5 ni. Jangan pergi letak bawah ni. Jangan you simply copy the point tu letak sini. Salah lah. Kalau kamu buat, if you do like this, you simply bring down the dot. Your answer should be 148 ringgit 250 cents. Salah. You won't get the correct answer. The answer should be 1,482 ringgit 50 cent. Macam tu. Okay, ni baru betul. Ataupun kalau nak senang macam mana? Tak ada dah cara senang. Itu je. Kalau nak senang, nak susah boleh. Cikgu boleh bagi cara susah. Cara senang ini. Okay. Sebab the point is you have to make sure to memorize this. Always remember that 20 in ringgit there are only two decimal point per cent. Ada 2 je titik puluhan untuk cent tu. So ada 2, make sure number dia belakang tu 2 tu letak titik point cent tu. Jangan, don't ever put, simply bring down the number, the decimal point tu. Jangan letak suka-suka hati letak bawah. Ingat dia ada turun 2 unit je, 2 unit sen. Jangan jadi 148 ringgit 250 pula. Salah ha. Okay. Okay, anyone? Yes, Karina. Anything? Oh yes, you may. Okay, understand? So the method is simple. Kalau you're using the method as the book shown, kalau kamu tengok dalam buku teks kamu, macam cikgu tunjuk dekat depan ni, kalau kamu ikut the method, okay, you can see that even though the apa nama tu, the number 10 tu dia letak proportionally bawah number unit cent. Dia ikut number value tu. Okay, place value tu. However, if you do like this, your calculation should be different. Okay, you cannot simply answer get your answer like this. Okay, there are some method involved in this kind of calculation. Okay, let me see, let me show you. Okay, for example, kalau kamu follow the book, okay, your calculation should be like this. 148.25 cent times 10. Okay, 5 times 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 times 1. 5, 2, 8, 4, 4, 1 plus. Okay. 0 bring down. 5, 2, 8, 4, 1 RM. Don't forget. Okay. So ada dua. Ni macam ni lah cara kira dia. Sangat panjang. Okay. Kalau dalam buku, kalau ikut follow the rules in mathematics, if you want to do the long calculation, the standard weighted method for number like 10, 1,000, 100 macam tu, this is how you do. Tapi in a shorter way, you can always do like this. Okay, you can always do like this. Okay, this one is also accepted. Kalau macam ni pun boleh, tapi panjang lah dia punya method tu. Dia ada 2 level. You have to add, you have to times, and then you have to addition. You have to do addition. Okay, but as always, the answer will always be same. Sama je jawapan dia. Sama je. Okay, sama je. Next. Calculate the price of 3 watches. Ada 3 watches. Kalau dia beli satu, if you want to buy one, the watch will cost you RM82.30. Okay. Yang ni kalau ada sen lah. Kalau ada sen. So RM82.30. Kalau one unit, the watch will cost you RM82.30. Tapi kalau ada 3, you have to buy 3. If you want to buy 3, you have to multiply with 3. So the multiply the cent value. 3 times 30 cent equals to 90 cent. Then multiply the ringgit value. 3 times 82 equals to 246. Ini kalau nampak macam mudah. You can see this, nampak macam mudah kan. Dia punya penerangan by the boy tu. Kalau you can see that Shiva is simply explaining macam easy lah kan. Dia punya explanation. Tapi it's not very easy lah. Kalau faham lah. Kalau tak faham, jenuh kamu nak ingat. Nak separated. Nak times, nak multiply separatedly macam ni susah. So you can always do 1/2 at once. Macam tu boleh. Buat bentuk lazim. Okay. So the bentuk lazim, the standard written method is as shown. If you don't understand, we'll do another time. Kita akan buat, okay, cikgu akan tunjuk, explain kamu. So RM82.30. 82 ringgit. Okay. Let's see number 3. Example number 6. Example number 6. 3 times RM 82 ringgit. Berapa sen? 30 sen. Okay, ini kalau 3 unit watch. Kalau ada, if you buy one, 82 ringgit 30 sen. If you want to buy 3, so you have to multiply with 3. Okay, so you have to do, kalau tadi the boy explain you how to do by separatedly times 82, macam ni dia buat. Okay, first tengok ada 82 ringgit kan. 82 ringgit buat RM dulu. RM 82 ringgit times 3. Times 3 macam tu. Lepas tu dia suruh kita buat 30 cents tu, 30 cent times 3. Boleh nak buat macam ni. Boleh. Kalau macam ni pun boleh. So times 3. 3 times 2, 6. 8 times 3, berapa? 246 ringgit. Kalau macam ni lah, sen 00030,339. So plus. Ataupun merge je lah. Merge je. Sambung je. The answer should be RM 246 ringgit 90 sen. Macam ni. Boleh. Okay. Kalau kamu faham macam ni boleh lah. Tapi kalau tak faham, there will always another method. Ini susah punya cara. Jangan ikut. Okay. I will propose you to do like this lah. So you copy down the number dulu. RM 82 ringgit 30 sen times 3. Method of calculation dia sama je macam biasa, macam yang cikgu explain tadi. It's all same as what I did explain you before. Okay, however, the difference is there will be sen. Okay, so ada sen ni, ingat kalau ada sen ni, turunkan je sen tu. Turunkan je dulu sen tu. So kamu ingat dekat situ ada sen. Then what should you do? Okay, kalau tak ingat sifir 3, buat sifir 3. If you remember sifir 3, there will be no problem for you lah. Kalau tak ingat, buatlah sifir 3. 1, 2, 3. Start from 0, 0 until what is the biggest number? The biggest number is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8. Okay. So complete the times table. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20, 20, 20 pula 18, 21, 20, 24. Okay, mana lah. So start from number 0 here, start from 1's place value, 0 times 3 equals to, sinilah 0 times 3. Okay, 0 times 3 kita nampak sini ada 0 times 3, 0. So answer should be 0. 3 times 3, 3 times 3, 9. So you have to copy down je 9. 2 times 3, 2 times 3 equals to 6. Okay. 6. 8 times 3. Mana 8 times 3? Tadi kita dah buat. Okay. 24. So tak ada number dah depan kan? No need to do regrouping. Copy down je 24. Then your answer should be RM246.90. Okay, remember. If tak ada regrouping, selamatlah kamu kalau tak ada regrouping. Tapi kalau ada regrouping, you have to be careful. Be careful. Sebab regrouping ni, most of you will do mistake. Ramai yang buat mistake dalam regrouping. Okay, the answer should be same. Sama je. Next. Okay, yang ni ada involve the regrouping. Okay, ni last lah. Okay. 9 times RM370.80. Okay, your answer should be like this. Okay, kalau kamu tengok dekat sini dalam example yang cikgu bagi ni, method dia punya calculation tu dia ada bagi macam ni, 9 times 80 sen equals to 720 sen. Kalau separatedly kamu boleh buat macam ni. Tapi you have to remember, there will be no 100 exceed 100 sen, tak ada tak ada 100 sen, 200 sen, 720 sen, tak ada. You have to change them. 720 sen is RM7.20. Okay, kena ingat. There won't be 700 sen. Tak ada There won't be 700 sen. They only have until 90 sen, 95 sen, 99 sen. Kalau macam tu ada lah. Kalau tak ada 99 sen lah. Kita only accept until 99 sen. Okay, after 100, it is called as RM1. So 100 sen is RM1. Ingat tu, 100 sen is RM1. So 720 sen means RM7.20. Okay, that one kalau separatedly. Kalau one whole tu kita buat one at once tu, okay, macam ni lah method dia. 0 times 9, 0, 1, 8 times 9 equals to 72 kan. So 72 bring down 2, bring up 7. Okay, simple. Kalau tak faham method ni, kita buat as one of the example lah. Okay, number 7. Example 7. Kita buat dulu. Okay, buat apa tadi? 9317. RM317.80. Okay. So, sorry lah RM cikgu ni teruk betul lah. Okay, copy down dulu. Okay, copy down the number. Ingat, always copy down RM atas yang besar. Kalau multiplication, always take the bigger number on top. 317.80. Okay, dot tu maksudnya sen lah. Okay, times with 9. 9 must be on the last digit. So draw the line. 0 times 9. 0 times 9, 8 times 9, 7 times 9, 1 times 9, 3 times 9. Macam tu je. So, first kali bring down decimal place tu. Decimal place pula. Decimal point, cent point tu. And then copy down RM. Letaklah RM siap-siap, takut lupa. Then, what should you do? Then, ingat sifir 9. Buatlah sifir 9. Kalau tak ingat, Kalau ingat, bagus. So, buatlah sifir 9. Ini untuk orang yang tak ingat cikgu buatkan. Tengok sampai nombor apa yang paling besar. The biggest number is 8. So, you have to do until 8. Sifir 9, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ada 9. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kalau tak ingat sifir 9, buat macam ni je. 0, ingat starting dia 0 kan. Jangan buat 9 kat sini, salah. Okay, starting dia mesti 0, 0. Okay, so 9. 9. Lepas turunkan bawah, 9. Jadi apa? Before 9 should be apa dia? Tulislah. Kalau tak ingat, buat macam ni. 9 tu buat sini sikit lah. 0, 9. 0. 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lepas tu turunkan pula. Tadi menurun, tadi menaik kan. Okay. Tadi ascending, now descending pula. Menurun, decreasing. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Turun. So ini je cara dia kalau nak senang. 8 itu. 8 macam tu. So turun apa, then relate lah. Okay, then you can relate. 0 times 9 equals to 0. So bring down 0. Merah pula. Highlight sikit lah. Highlight sikit. 0 here. 8 times 9. Highlight sikit. You bagi nampak 72. Okay, so 72 what should you do? Bring down 2. Jangan ambil 72 suka-suka letak terus. 7 bring up. Taklah plus sign kalau tak ingat nanti. So 7 times 9. Jangan buat lagi ni. 7 tambah 7 jangan. No. Don't plus yet. Jangan add this number. 7 times 9 dulu. Buat 7 times 9. 7 times 9 63. So tambah apa? Tambah 7.
Copy this in the book.
You can copy if you want. If you would like to copy, you can copy. 63 plus 7 equals to 70. So bring down 7. Then another 7 here. Letak plus. So 1 times 9. Mana 1 times 9? Here. 1 times 9. Answer should be 9. Jangan ambil 0, 9 pula. 9 je. 0 tu saja je cikgu letak. So letak plus 7. Kenapa? Because ada 7 here. Plus 7. So 9 plus 7. Bukan 97 9 plus 7. 16.
Teacher, when are we going to do the let's play?
Just wait. Okay. 6 here. Bring up 1. So 3 times 9. 3 times 9. 3 times 9 equal to 27. 27. Ingat, there are 1 here. There is 1 here. So plus 1. Jangan lupa. Banyak yang suka miss number tu. So 27 plus 1 equals to 28. So write down lah 28 here. Then your answer should be RM 2,860 ringgit 20 sen. Okay. If you compare with the answer here, sama. Same. Okay. So your answer should be same. Okay. You still have, tak ada masa dah ni. Tak apa. Okay, let's try this out. Prepare your stationeries. Stationery ya. Okay, then book and your book. Boleh guna MT1, M1, M2. Kalau tak ada, guna exercise book mana-mana pun boleh. Okay, yang ni pergi dekat buku teks kamu. Aku pun lupa dah buku teks. Muka surat berapa ni? Page berapa dah? Cikgu ni buka di buku teks ni. My textbook, my textbook. Textbook, textbook, textbook. Ni. Page 10. Kalau tak sempat. Okay, kalau tak sempat copy, pergi buka. Ni untuk page 10. Page 10. Kamu boleh buat dekat page 10. Buku teks kamu page 10, copy down, then do this. Sangat senang. Apa yang tulis tu? Yes. Yasmina, anything you want to ask?
I don't have my exercise book.
You don't have exercise book means what? M1, M2? That one lah. If you don't have, get a piece of paper or an empty. Empty means buku kosong. Buku kosong, a blank book. Buku conteng-conteng tu. Buat. Don't have buku? A blank page, a blank paper ke? Anything. Yes, now you can do. Okay. Go to your textbook. Jilid 2 part 2. Textbook part 2, page 10. Okay, do let's try. Number 1. A, B, C, D. And number 2. Okay, number 2. Boleh refer to the screen if you want to. Yes, Karina Bell. Just ask.
Teacher, can I use the blank paper?
If you don't have M1, M2, you can use blank paper.
Page what?
Page 10.
Teacher, should we do question 1 and 2?
Yes, question 1, question 2. Question 1 got 4 questions.
Okay.
Okay. Remember, tenang je ni, don't worry. Tapi make sure don't make a mistake. What? Yes.
Do we put the smaller number at the bottom?
Yes. For multiplication. Always.
So RM go at the bottom or top?
RM on top. Smaller number bottom.
Okay. Thanks.
Good. Welcome. Okay. Let me show you one of the example. Okay, so you have to do is, what should you do is do, let's try. Let's try page 10. Okay, page 10. Question number 1. A, apa dah? 4,340. 4 times RM.
Do we have to put it in the exercise book?
What? Again, pardon?
Do we have to put this in the exercise book?
Copy down in your exercise book, yes. Exercise mean M1 and 2. If you don't have, you can use blank paper. Nanti you can paste on that book after you get them. Okay. 4 times RM 340. Okay. This one I give you one example. Okay. Write down the bigger number on top. RM 340 times 4. Jangan tulis the smaller number on top. Make sure to write like this. Okay, your answer should be like this. Your calculation should be like this. Okay, then you simply times 1 each number with 4. Each number starting from 0 times 4, 4 times 4, 3 times 4. Don't forget your RM. If you don't write RM, you won't get full mark. Maybe your mark will be deducted in your exam. Or you won't get any marks at all kalau tak ada unit. That is why you learn this. You have to make sure to write the units. So 0 times 4 is 0. Kalau tak ingat boleh buat stifir. 0 pula. Stifir 4 lah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sampai 4 je because 4 is the biggest number here. 3, 4, 0. So the biggest number is 4. So do until 4 je. So 4 0, 0 lagi. 4, 8, 12, 16. So starting from 0 here, 0 times 4 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Bring down 6. Okay. Ni 16. 16 bring down 6. 1 tu buat apa? 1 letak atas. Okay. Buat plus sign. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals to 12. Don't forget you have 1 plus plus 1. So 13. Bring down 13 here. Your answer should be 1,360. So tulislah RM 1,360 as your answer here. Okay. First example je cikgu bagilah. Okay, you can.
I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it? Why?
I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay. So this one you can do after this. Okay. After your BM class pun okay. Sebab after this you have BM class. If you want to do right now pun okay. Don't worry. I'm not forcing you at all. You can either do this in your your homework pun boleh. You want to do petang nanti pun, in the evening pun tak apa. Okay, so this is your exercise, your homework today. Let's try page 10 on in your activity textbook part 2. Okay. So I think we shall conclude our class because you will have another class coming after this. Mana nak tutup? Okay, coming after this.
Bye-bye.
Alright. So,
Bye-bye.
make sure to join the class later. Okay, and do the activity I gave. Alright, thank you everyone.
When did you submit? Teacher, when do we have to submit?
Oh, you just do this. If you want to submit later tomorrow, I'll give the link.
Okay,
Tomorrow.
okay, teacher.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Teacher.
And don't forget to click hadir. Click hadir. Click hadir on the classroom. Alright, good. Thank you, Erina. See you soon next week. Thanks for participating and selamat Hari Raya too.
Selamat Hari Raya.
What happened?
What happened?
Yeah.
Why? What happened?
I'm just gonna stay here forever until the class ends. I don't care. I'm just
Are
gonna
you
stay
Aiden
here.
from the future?
I just restart. What happened?
What restore? What you restore what?
I restart.
You
I know.
restart. Oh, the class is end.
What
The class
is
has end. The class just end.
the class?
So, just end. Just ended. Okay, later I give. Okay, your homework today is you have to do your you have to do let's
I'm doing
try.
number C right now.
What?
Okay.
Zulaikha?
Do you have to draw?
Again.
Do you have to draw?
No need to draw. Okay, Zulaikha, why are you asking me?
I'm doing number C.
Oh, you're doing number C. Good. Then you shouldn't have any problem if you can do until C. Emilia, okay. Can you do them? Good. Natalie, understand today lesson? Good. Apa lagi? Oh, I think you have to stop lah. Okay. That's all lah for today. So prepare for your BM class later. Thank you everyone. What?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Your football.